Alright, I'm recording this one.
We're gonna get close. You can't try to go first.
Mike, you're on record right now.
You're recording this?
Yeah.
The bullet chamber will be top. Turn it off. Don't record. Whatever the dot's on dies. Ha ha ha.